Calgary's first major snowstorm of the season today brought smiles to some people, but scowls to others. People who were pleased by the blizzard were the organizers of the Winter Olympics. After a bleak period lately from their point of view, today's snowfall gave them a welcome start. But for people in Calgary, it was fender-bending bad. Automobiles slithered and slid and slipped. Putting on the brakes was hopeless. Cars were doing what people will be doing at the Olympic Games in 3 months' time, skiing. And with the streets like skating rinks, just about everybody found it difficult to get along. And that's the National for Monday, November 16th. For CBC News, I'm Knowlton Nash.